Hey folks, welcome to DIY Buddy Guy. Today we're installing a battery warmer on a Kohler generator. Really simple process. Here's the part number for the battery warmer. Hold on. All right, there it is. It's 120 volts. Don't let the two plugs confuse you. There's a plug on the machine in the wiring harness. If you test the pins, this one on the end here with the meter showed 120 volts. This one's ground, this one's neutral. If you're handy with a multimeter, you can figure that out. This heating element here is set up the same way. This pin is hot, this is ground, this was neutral, and it's exactly the same on this side, so you don't need to plug in both ends. But only one of these plugs is going to match the plug on the machine. It is a parallel plug, meaning they both do exactly the same thing, but the style of the plug is different. All you do is put your blanket around the battery, right? There's a zip tie, is a giant nylon strap that comes with it, a couple of zip ties. Run your cord through here, plug it in, zip tie your cord in place, make sure everything's safe, nothing gets snagged on anything, and you're done. In the event that you don't have a plug like this, but you do have a 120 volt receptacle in the machine, you can get creative. Either put a splitter on here. Some Kohler actually offers this product, but any electric cord splitter, and then you can also put a plug on the end of that, a male end to plug into this female end or what have you. But if you want videos like that, how it's done, just let me know in the comments. I'll make you one. Thanks for watching.